to 3 days before serving, rub salt all over the prime rib and refrigerate uncovered. Ready to cook, use a sharp knife to cut 16 slits in the top of the roast. Insert sliced garlic into each slit. Season the roast with additional salt if desired and freshly ground black pepper. Oil into a large skillet over medium-high heat. When the oil is hot, place the roast in the skillet and cook until it is nicely browned on one side. Rotate the roast and sear on all sides. Set the roast on a rack in a roasting pan. Cook the roast at 200 degrees for 3 to 4 hours or until a meat thermometer inserted in the center registers 110 degrees. In a bowl, whisk together sour cream, prepared horseradish, and minced chives. Keep refrigerated until ready to use. Cut the roast into slices and serve.